I'm Ranjit, and this is my case study about a strategy for automatic quality signing and verification process for hardware and software testing. Abstract. The test is required for both hardware and software in a production line. Here, the strategy is based on two processes: quality signing process and quality verification process. The earlier work, the proposed strategy is based on integrations of black box and white box techniques in order to derive an optimum test suite during the quality signing process. Let's move on to the introduction. Quality and reliability of any embedded engineering products, many input parameters as well as software or hardware configurations needed to be tested against for conformance. 4-bit magnitude comparator IC. Here the magnitude comparator IC consists of 8 bits for inputs and 3 bits for outputs. It is clear that each IC requires 256 test cases for testing. Let us assume that we received an order of delivery for 1 million qualified chips within 2 weeks. As an option, we can do parallel testing. However, parallel testing can be expensive due to the need of 2 and 2 testing lines. Here, as the product demand grows in numbers, parallel testing can also be becoming impossible. Solution to this problem is based on the combinational interaction testing (CIT) strategy. The CIT approach can systematically reduce the number of test cases by selecting a subset for exhaustive testing combination based on the strength of parameter interaction coverage. Let's move on to the next topic, related work. While earlier work has indicated that pairwise testing can be effective to detect most faults in a typical software system, a counter-argument suggests such as conclusion infeasible to generalize all software system faults. For example, a test set that covers all possible pairs of variable values can typically detect 50 to 75% of faults in a program. NASA distributed the database reported that 95% of actual faults on the test software involved four-way interaction. In fact, according to the recommendations of NIST, almost all of the faults detected within six-way interaction. Example, system faults caused by variable interactions may also span more than two parameters, up to six-way interactions for moderate systems. The next topic is proposed strategy. Proposed strategy consists of two processes, namely test quality process and test quality signing process, verification and signing process. The TQS process deals with the optimizing the selections of test suite for fault injection as well as all performs the actual injection while the TB process analyzes for conformance. Here are the few points the TQS process aims to derive an effective and optimum test suite for work as follows. Number one, start with an empty optimized test suite and empty signing vector. Number two, select the desired software class. Alternatively, build an equivalent software class for the circuit under test for hardware testing. Number three, store these faults in a fault list. Number four, inject the class with all possible faults. Number five, let n be the maximum number of parameters, and etc. Let's move on to the case study. We have adopted GMPI POG as our CIT strategy implementation. GMPI POG is a combinational test generator based on specific inputs and parameters interaction. Running on a grid environment, GMPI POG adopts both the horizontal and vertical extension mechanism. It is important to ensure that software implementation obeys the hardware implementation strictly. And the confirmations of this case study: comparison for the case study. The possible test reduction using the block partitioning approach for comparison purposes. Here, the partitions could be two 4-bit numbers with block values 0. 0 lesser than x lesser than 15 is equal to 15. And 9 test cases would give all combination coverages. In this case, we have chosen a representative value. Additionally, we have also run a series of 9 tests were in chosen at random between 0 and 15. The result of the generated test cases and their corresponding cumulative faults detected and tabulated in a tables. Here are the few points that I concluded my case study with these points. We represent a novel strategy. We represent a novel strategy for automatic quality signing and verification technique for both hardware and software technique testing. Our case study in hardware production line demonstrated that proposed strategy could improve the saving efforts and factor significantly the traditional block partitioning strategy in terms of achieving better mutant score with the same number of test cases. Thank you.